This is Kaini Foze. You are watching APN News and here are some updates from the Northeast. 12 key members of Naga People's Front joined Manipur BJP at the CM Secretariat on Tuesday. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh felicitated the newly joined members and said that the joining of the members will not have any negative effect on the relationship between the allies. Biren also stated that the members joined BJP due to their fondness of the party because of the able leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the substantial changes brought in the state and country. The Manipur Assembly election is expected to be held in the first quarter of 2022. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Tuesday has launched Go to Village 2.0 organized by the Thobal District Administration at Moijen Public Playground. Speaking at the occasion, Singh told that due to the COVID pandemic, this initiative was on hold for some period. However, it is revived to continue village-to-village government official visits to ensure that governance reaches every corner of the state. CM told that the government had taken up various welfare schemes under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which includes stalls of different departments and banks have been opened at the Moijen playground, urging the people to visit the stall and access the benefits of the schemes. So far, the government has covered around 2,669 villages earlier, and many more villages would be covered under this mission, he added. After the declaration of the BIPOL results, top leaders of the National People's Party on Tuesday evening thanked the people of the three constituencies who support and voted the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance coalition to victory. NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma shared happiness over the positive outcomes of the campaign. He said the people put their trust on the government because of its development agenda and assured to continue working for the development of the people. Further, Sangma also made allegations that the division, infighting and blame game within the opposition Congress reflected in the results. The young and inspirational self-made engineer, popularly known as Bikal Rai from East Sikkim, gets published in the Class 5 book of Government School in Sikkim. Rai's story has been published with the hope of motivating and developing the skills and knowledge of the upcoming generations. Some of the innovative works of Bikal includes hydropower generator producing 2.3-volt energy with the capacity to charge 4 mobile phones at once for lighting of 3 bulbs, a fan of DC 3 voltage with cheaper rate, 2 excavator, battery charger for vehicles and a sensor operator car which can move with the sound of clapping. Presently, Rai is pursuing BTech at Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology through the help of the present Chief Minister of Sikkim, Prem Singh Taman.